Now imagine you had a soap plant that would grow pretty much anywhere in the world. Not only does it create a lot of saponins, but it's also antibacterial. Now what plant am I talking about? Well, it's actually just ordinary hibiscus. So I'm going to just take a sprig, making sure that there isn't any spiders on it. Just follow me. You won't believe how soapy this stuff is. Now all you got to do is literally rub it between your hands. You can even hear how soapy it is. Just amazing. Just check this out. See how soapy that is? And it just feels like you're cleaning your fingers. Now this is a quick video, but you can literally grow this in anywhere pretty much in the world, and you've got instant soap in your garden where you need it. Let's clean that off. You can add things like a little bit of wood ash if you want, but that is antibacterial. It's really great, and my fingers now feel fresh, clean, and wonderful.